Hi everyone, welcome back to my English video. Today I tell you about the topic nature. My name is Thành. I'm 20 years old. I come from Hanoi. My birthday is on April 17th. I am 175 centimeters and weight 80 kilograms. I am student. I study at Fenica University, specialized at tourism and hospitality management. My phone number is 03535247225. I have a dream when I am small. I will travel around the world. There are 4 people in my family. My parents, one younger brother, and me. Now we live in a small house. We live in a small city. In my house, next to a mountain, a big park, and a big river. I very like go to in the park. I riding my bike in the park with my friend, and I like talking together in the park. I have free time at the weekends. At the weekends, my family and I go to the camping in the mountain near my house. In the mountain, we like eating BBQ and talking together. Outside, we like listen to music and see many trees in the mountain. The mountain have many trees and a little monkey. My family and I very like monkey because I don't see in my house. I don't see in my live outside. We go to the mountain. We like watch the sunset. I very love this river because this river near my house is very big. We like kayaking, and we like swimming when the sunset. In river have many fish, and sometimes my friend and I like fishing in the river. I like many trees. I like color trees in autumn because I see is very beautiful. This nature here in autumn is very beautiful. So I have free time in autumn because I don't go to the school. I play in the mountain. And I and survival in the mountain. In the evening, I don't go home. I think I very love nature here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.